Using an American Express gift card online is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and precautions. First, make sure you have the gift card in hand and the card details are easily accessible. You will need the card number, expiration date, and security code to complete the transaction. To start, go to the website of the online store where you want to make a purchase and add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout and select American Express as the payment method. You will be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 15-digit number on the front of the card. The expiration date is the month and year the card expires. And the security code is the 4-digit number on the front of the card. Once you have entered the card details, you may be asked to provide the cardholder name and billing address. This information is usually printed on the card or provided with the card. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the transaction. After entering the card details and billing information, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount, the items being purchased, and the shipping address. If everything is correct, submit the payment and wait for the confirmation. It is essential to keep in mind that some online stores may not accept American Express gift cards, or may have specific requirements for using them. It is always a good idea to check the website's terms and conditions before attempting to make a purchase. Additionally, make sure to keep track of the gift card balance and use it before the expiration date. You can check the balance by visiting the American Express website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. In case of any issues with the transaction, contact the American Express customer service or the online store's customer support for assistance. They will be able to help you resolve the issue and complete the transaction. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily use your American Express gift card online and enjoy a seamless shopping experience.